Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn that how we can create HTTP load balancer with our cloud function as a backend. So first thing, we will create a cloud function and make it publicly accessible via the HTTP endpoint. And later on, we will create a load balancer with a backend server, and it will connect to the cloud function, and we will make ensure that it only accessible via the LB/IP. So we are going to create this similar architecture in our account. Okay, let's jump into the creation of the function. Let's click on the create function. Let's choose generation. Let's make it a serverless demo. Let's choose Asia South 1 as a region. Let's save, and here you can tweak your settings, like if you want to add the environment variables, so you can add here. So we will make it for now, we will make it as default. Let's click on the next, and let's deploy it. So like, as we can see that our cloud function is deploying. In the meanwhile, you can see that it gives you a metric dashboard, where we can see that what is the invocation per second as per the time frame, and we can see also the execution time. We can also find the errors, memory utilization, and the instance count. Okay, and if we go to the detail section, in the detail section we can get all the information of our the cloud function, that in which region he has deployed and what is the timeout settings. So we can get the uh, details of our service demo, what is the service account we are using with this cloud function. Okay, in the source section we can see our the code, and from the variable section, that whatever, if you have defined any build environment variables, so it will reflect here. And if any secrets you are fetching from the secret manager, it will show here. After the successfully deploy, we will going to trigger this endpoint to see the output. And if we go to the permission, so we need to add the permission as per our requirement. In the log side, whenever your cloud function is deploy, or at the first step as well, it will generate the log for you. Okay, so as we can see that our cloud function is ready, and if we refresh this page. Okay, let's go to the trigger section. Let's click on it. You can see that our hello world is working. Okay, and if we go to the log side, you can see that logs also has been generated. You can see the authentication, who has triggered it. Everything we can get the details from here as well. So let's create the load balancer. We will create HTTP load balancer. Let's click on continue. Let's give a name, uh, serverless LB demo, serverless frontend. Let's make it HTTP protocol. Let's make it done. In the backend service, we are going to create a one backend service, serverless backend service. And in the instance group, we will going to choose the serverless network endpoint group. And here we have to create a, so already you can see that already uh, one endpoint group is already present, but we will create a new endpoint group. Let's create the serverless network endpoint group, serverless network endpoint group. And let's choose the region for Asia Southeast Asia South 1. Click on the cloud function. So you can use a backend as the cloud run as well, and the app engine as well. Let's click on the create. it will take 30 to 40 seconds to spin up, and let's wait for the file. Let's refresh the button again. Okay, so we can see that our load balancer is been ready. So let's click on it here. Let's click the IP. Okay. So I think it will take some time to reflect the output. Now you can see that our output is getting generated on the LBIP. Okay. Now we will restrict the cloud function that nobody can get the output if anybody is hitting this trigger endpoint. Okay. Let's go to the edit section. Let's go to the connections, and we will choose allow internal traffic. So currently I'm able to get the output from this endpoint. Let's make it next and deploy. See, you can see now the logs, the matrix are has been generated. We can see the what is the execution time it is taking, what is the memory utilization, what is the error and to end status. So everything we can see it from here. And we can see that this is a version 2 is deployed. Yeah, so our serverless demo cloud function has been redeployed. And if we go to the trigger section and if we click here, we can see that error page not found. And if we go to the LBIP, we can see that still we are getting the data. So the agenda was the cloud function will act as a backend service, and on top of it, we will have the cloud function. So that's much in today's video. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.